Up.
Get the water, get
Put
the
out
water.
the fire, put out the fire. Right, I'll go first. Go, fireman. Go. That way is too long. You gotta break down the boat. Alright, I got this. Let's go. Up. Alright, I got him.
You do?
Help me pull. Whoa!
No, my son!
Go. Get out of here before they sue us. Go. Ah! Hang on, let me get this dust.
Tastes like crap.
Bye.